Hey everyone, thanks for checking out this video. My name is Travis Rose. I'm a full-time day trader and investor, and I'm the creator of the Master the Market trading educational programs that you can find linked below in the description. I wanted to make a quick video here to talk a little bit about how you can get started trading with only $500. So one of the big issues that many traders starting off with a small account face is the pattern day trader rule. Pattern day trader rule, also called the PDT rule, limits US based traders with accounts less than $25,000 to only 3 day trades per 5 business days. Now, this can have a big effect on you if you're somebody that is trying to grow your account from, maybe $500, or even if it's a few $1,000s, all the way up to that $25,000 limit. If you know how to trade properly and you're limited to only 3 day trades per 5 business days, that's going to seriously slow down how long it takes for you to get over that $25,000 limit. And typically, starting with a $500 account, you would need to make 50 times your money in order to grow it from $500 to $25,000. And that's actually the reason that I wanted to make this video, because there's actually a very effective way that you can get around the pattern day trader rule and start trading with as little as $500, and more importantly, be able to trade as frequently as you like. And that is where Tradenet comes in handy. Tradenet is an offshore company allowing traders worldwide, so whether you're based in the United States or not, you can open an account and start trading with Tradenet. Basically, what they do is allow you to trade with an investment firm's money and keep 70 to 85% of the profits. And the way this works is because the firm that is funding you is not based in the United States, you can legally day trade as frequently as you'd like with the money that they give you. Now, typically, to get funded by an investment firm or some kind of proprietary trading firm, you would need a ton of education and a lot of experience in the market. However, that is not the case with Tradenet, and you can actually get started trading with them and trading with their funded accounts, even if you have no prior market experience. Now, you have to keep in mind that because you are trading with their money, they do, of course, want to educate you and help you have a higher chance of succeeding with your trading. You also have to keep in mind that they want you to make profits because they are keeping the other 15 to 30% of the profits. So the more money that you make, the more money that they make as well. And because of that, what you're actually going to be getting for your $500, or in this case for your $300, because there's a discount link below in the description, is a ton of education and a ton of information about how to properly trade in the market. So really what you're buying with the $350 is the education, and the big bonus that comes along with it happens to be a funded trading account that allows you to trade with, in this case, $14,000 in real money and keep 70% of the profits that you generate with it. Now, that is the smallest package that they offer, but if I go over here to this blog that I wrote about Tradenet, just to give you an idea of some of the other packages that they have, there's also one that you can purchase for $3,000. Again, I have a discount link for all of these below in the description. And with that account, you're going to actually get $80,000 to trade with, and you'll get to keep 75% of the profits. For $6,000, you can get $160,000 to trade with, and you'll keep 80% of the profits. And for $9,000, you're going to be given $240,000 to trade with and keep 85% of the profits. Now, with each of these accounts, there's going to be a maximum loss. So focusing on the smallest one, which is the one that you would purchase for $350, giving you $14,000 in trading money and allowing you to keep 70% of the profits, the maximum loss on this one is $700. So as long as your account balance stays above $13,300, you're able to continue trading with the firm's money and keep your share of the profits. And the nice thing about that is you can build a cushion above that $13,300 limit. And let's say you get your account balance up from the original $14,000 to, let's say, $15,300. At that point, you're going to be $2,000 above the maximum loss of $13,300. So you have a much smaller chance of hitting that maximum loss and having your account closed down. And even if that does end up happening, that would be the worst case scenario, but still it's not that bad, because with Tradenet, the only thing you're risking is the $350 that you paid for the trading package in the first place. So even though there's a $700 maximum loss, the most you can use is $350, and it's not up to you to pay the remainder of that $700 if you do happen to hit your maximum loss. So, in my opinion, if you're somebody starting off with a very small amount of money, less than $1,000, realistically, your chance of succeeding with that small of an account are very, very slim. If you're looking to just trade and learn through your trading, learn from your mistakes, and go through some trial and error, then that's, of course, a great way to do it. But if you're looking to succeed and actually make some real profits with a small amount of money, and in this case, as little as $350, then Tradenet is a very good opportunity to do that, and it's something that I highly recommend looking into. So keep in mind also that there, again, are some larger accounts available if you want more than $14,000 to trade with. However, of course, the larger the account, the more you will pay for the trading package. And keep in mind that each of these is going to come with a ton of education as well. And the more that you pay for the trading package, the more education is also going to come with it. And along with each of these packages comes access to the trading chat room as well. So you can chat with other professional traders. You can watch their professional traders live through their screen sharing software. And you can even follow their trading alerts if you choose to do so. So if you're interested and you want to see a full review of my TradeNet experience, along with the pros and cons, the trading software, the commissions, and so on and so forth, I have a separate video that is a little bit more detailed and a little bit longer, going over all of this in more depth, and I will go ahead and link that in the description below as well. So feel free to check that out, and good luck with your trading. I'll see you in the next video.